Today, October 1st, 2021, I took the dogs for a walk before we head out to River Canard. Because we were going to go on a canoe, but we decided to take a kayak instead. So we decided before we leave, let's get the dogs tired and let's head out. And there's a map that you can take and it shows where you can go and what wildlife animals you can see. And then there was a boat that you could look inside and stuff on it. And then there's this like little cool tower, and it has like a plaque of where it came from and stuff, which is so cool. I'm trying to get you paddling. There you go. Alright. It's nice. I didn't know we needed to first, too. I wanted the bridge. Fall colors. Sorry about the wind in the video. I tried my best not to have the wind, so I thought I'll just show you the video. Here are some birds. I believe they were geese. They were so cute, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Kayaking is so much fun. We didn't go as far because it was our first time and we were kind of nervous. But if we go again this year or next year, we'll definitely go a little bit farther. But we do know you can see other wildlife animals and stuff like that, like muskrat, different kind of birds, and coyotes and deer sometimes. So that's cool. Like on the sides where like the woods or whatever, their houses on the side. You can see deer sometimes and coyotes, but we didn't see them. Also, you could see like snapping turtles, which is pretty cool too. And it was a beautiful day. It wasn't too cold, wasn't too hot. We didn't even really need our sweaters. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was fun, and I'm so glad I got to see a gray heron, which you'll see in this video. I believe it's a gray heron. If not, it's blue. I'm not sure, but it was a beautiful bird anyway. I am glad that my sister decided to come with me because I really wanted to go, and I haven't been on a kayak, or I've been on a canoe a couple times, but like not in a long time. But to go on a kayak is fun too. Like I've never been on one, you know, and I really wanted someone else to come with me, and I'm grateful that she decided to come with me, and we had so much fun, and we hope to do it again soon. Ducking. Careful. It's beautiful. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Sorry. Oh my god. Oh, that is a huge boat there. Huge boat. I'm showing you the kayaks and the canoes, guys, which are so cool and beautiful. And then there's these signs of, like, if you go a certain way, and it tells you how far and what it is. Like, one says Detroit River and stuff like that. It's pretty cool. It's a beautiful place. You can look up more information about River Canard because there's so much other like historical stuff. And then there was a canoe they made a flower bed out of it, which is cool, and then a boat. And then I'll show you the inside a little bit of the boat, which is cool. Yeah, it's a great place to go, and I'm so glad I went, and I love it. And yeah, I hope to go again soon, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna end it with a little last minute of ASMR, so of kayaking. Also, guys, I will say this: when the river is frozen, there is, if you go check out Loki Siberian on YouTube, they have a video of them sledding on the frozen river. It is so cool. So hug and love your pets, and don't stop believing in yourself. Embrace what today has to offer and every day. Later, here is an ASMR of the river.